Hello viewers. Well, it's really cold out here tonight. I'm working on the Toyota, which is at the door. So this heater isn't really good to me. I'm going to turn this one off, like so. Takes a long time to cool down. It's a 1930s household unit. Here's the Toyota, and I'm going to turn this unit on. I'm going to try it out on heat for once. Let's see what happens. Put on low. Heat. This way. Hello viewers, I got the manifolds off, so now I've got to take the cam and rocker gear off, and I can take the head off. And that's doing a lovely job, nice and warm. It's a very cold night. Well, I got the rocker gear and cam out, so now I'm going to loosen the head. Pressure in there starting to make a bit of a noise. Hopefully it's not getting slugged. I checked it, it's not frozen up too bad at the back. Don't know if the defrost sensor works or not. See how she goes. I decided to manually defrost the coils. Don't know if the sensor works. Doesn't look like it's ever been used in heat before. Good idea. Lots of water coming out. I just turned the fan off just to let all the water out. Well, I finally got the head off. Only took an hour. Got that air conditioner running now, heating the place. And yep, it was a bent valve. Just touched the piston. If I put light there, you can see light through the valve. Only on one side though. Oh well, all new valves, clean up the head, get it refaced, clean it all up, make it run like new.